In this quick demo, I'm going to show how I highlight and personalize the Word of God in my studies. I'm using the Logos Bible app software on a Google Nexus 7 tablet. I'm going to choose some text here in verse 10, 1 Corinthians 1. I'm going to choose where it says no divisions. Now, this is where Paul has written to the Church of God in Corinth, and there's contentions and strife, and he's trying to beseech them that there be no divisions among them. So I'm going to double tap on divisions and fine-tune my selection, and I'm going to choose highlight. And the first highlight I'm going to pick is large text. And you have to wait a moment for this to refresh. But once that's done, I'm going to double tap on that again. And I'm going to apply an additional highlight. I'm going to make that text bold. So you can apply multiple highlights to a particular selection. And again, this is just another way to customize the Word of God to make it more rich and meaningful to your studies. And I'm going to pick a solid color for this one. And since we're talking about not having any divisions, let's make that red to really make that stand out. We'll see how that looks. I think that looks fairly good. So once this is done, what I do next is I'm going to hold in the power button here, and I'm going to take a screenshot of this. So I'm done with my edits, and I'm going to switch over to my gallery and pick that screenshot that I just took. And down in the lower left corner here, I'm going to click the pencil icon, and I'm now going to do some edits here. I'm going to crop it first, like so, and apply that, and then go back to some of these other filter options that we have here. I'm going to give it like a scratchy border, or how about worn? I'll give it a worn border, and then change the coloration of it to something like a vintage look. And then at the top, I just click Save. And that's how I mark up these customized logos, screenshots that I take. And then from here, you can click at the top and just share it out to your Google Plus account, which I'm going to do right now. So that is how I use the Logos Bible app software to customize and personalize the Word of God so that it hopefully that it dwells richly within me. So I hope this has been a blessing for you. God bless.